how to install Amazon Alexa on your Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be guiding you easily on how you can do it. So let's just get started. First of all, you can just head over to your Play Store app on your Android device. It is one of the easiest way you can download it. And once you open it up, you should be finding this dashboard on your screen. So what you can do from here is locate up the search bar in the bottom right corner directly and tap on it. And from here you can use the search bar at the top, tap on it and search for Amazon Alexa here. And look out for this search and locate up the app. This one right here. After you locate it up, you can look out for this install option on your screen and tap on it. And then wait for a bit, and once you do that, the particular application should be easily downloaded on your device, and that's it. So you may also follow up the same process if you would like to download Amazon Alexa on your Android device using Play Store. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.